Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing 3 quick and simple Easter home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. In today's video, it is also a group collab with 6 other wonderful talented ladies, and we are all doing some Dollar Tree Easter DIYs. I will be leaving their links to their channels down in the description box so you guys can go check out their video and let them know that I sent you. And with all of that said, let's get started.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone.
For the first DIY, I started off by adding this ribbon on top of the 2 clay pots.
Live a perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see.
I'm going to be using this Waverly chalk paint and the color truffle to paint the 2 foam bunnies.
You do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions.
To paint the 2 clay pots, I'm going to be mixing the ivory chalk paint with some classic caramel and light mocha.
Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No one can stand there with me, I won't be ashamed. 'Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
I added some extra floral foam I had around the house, and for the bunnies, I just added a skewer so they could be popping out.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not.
Since the bunnies are made out of foam, I decided to add some greenery just to add a little bit more detail.
'Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
Now I'm just going to be adding some twine bows.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here for a while? I'm alive and I take you in. I've been
For the second DIY, now I'm going to be using the foam eggs, and the pack comes with 6 of them, and I'm going to be cutting the top of 3 of the eggs, and I'm going to be leaving the rest the way they are. And I'm going to be using the Waverly truffle chalk paint as well. And the reason I decided to go with this color was because I really like when they sell the little chocolate eggs for Easter and the bunnies. I think they are so cute, and I've seen several decor that look similar to that, so I thought this would be a great idea.
Oh,
I'm going to be using the carton that came with the other 6 eggs to place the chocolate ones. Now I'm going to be adding some floral on top of the 3 eggs that looks like the top was bitten off.
When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a...
To add some detail to the carton, I'm going to be adding a twine bow.
It will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? I've been falling and I've been calling. Oh, was it a rainbow falling? I'm used to give all I have.
For the last and final DIY, I'm going to be filling up this galvanized bucket I got from the Dollar Tree with some lavender floral.
Excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you, everything has changed, even though we both stay the same.
I'm going to be adding 2 skewers on each end of this bunny sign so I could be able to place it on top of the bucket.
Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say you, say you. I'm used to give up 100 times. It's never been worth it, but now there is so much to say. This time it is different. Sometimes I can't.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to head on over to the other ladies' channels so you can check out what they created for their Dollar Tree Easter DIYs. With all of that said, I hope y'all have a great day, stay safe, and God bless.
Fight.